I'd like to introduce you to
Peter Cleave. How do you do?
Stella Raphael.
I know it's not exactly ideal here for you and Charlie, but it'll change.
Макс е амбициозен психијатар кој добива работа во затворска болница. Со него доаѓаат да живеат неговата сопруга Стела и нивниот син. Но необичниот нов дом почнува чудно да влијае на Стела.
Oh, marriage is a different beast entirely. I'm talking about passion. It might be wise to restrict yourself to the public areas of the hospital. One never quite knows what one might find.
Прибежиште, среда, 21 часот и 35 минути.
How are you finding Mrs. Raphael?
I don't have much to do with her.
Isn't he rather attractive?
It's your imagination.
He's a patient.
It's been suggested that your dealings with Edgar Stark went beyond propriety.
Suggested by who?